So, Psalm chapter 2, verses 7. You are my son. This is day have begotten you. Second Samuel chapter 7 verses 14. I will be his father, and he will be my son. Thank you.